Hey there, welcome to Dijon's Kitchen. My name is Erica. On this channel we make tasty food from around the world. It will make it easier for you to reproduce it at home. If this sounds good, you might want to subscribe and click the bell notification so you will know every time we drop a new video. Today we're gonna be making some steak tartare, which is one of my favorite dishes. I absolutely love it. It's super easy. In Italian we call it tartare. Actually we call it tartare. The beef we're using today is some Australian Wagyu, which has a marble scoring of 4+. If you look at this strip loin closely, you can see this beautiful marbling. If you don't know what I mean, is the ratio between fat and meat. Higher the percentage of fat usually means better quality of the meat. Why? Because the fat gives the flavor. Now you want to remove your fat cap from the strip loin and any remaining silver skin. It's actually chewy and inedible when the beef is raw. This dish is really based on the good ingredients that you use. So you want to make sure all the ingredients that you put into it are the best quality that you can get. Now you want to dice your beef into some relatively small cubes and place your beef into a bowl. I personally prefer my tartare smaller, so I will spend a few minutes to finely mince my beef. I personally just like the texture when the beef is a bit smaller. Once your beef is inside the bowl, it's just so simple adding all the other ingredients in it and mix it well together. For my personal liking, I like to have a good balance between the heat of the mustard, the tabasco, and the pepper with the natural sweetness and sourness of the pickles that also cut through the fat of the beef. It's just amazing. Use the back of the spoon to press your tartare against the side of the bowl to make sure it's all pressed and mixed well together. Then you want to check your seasoning and add some salt or pepper as per your liking. Once you taste your tartare, make sure that your first bite is not too salty. Otherwise, by the time you are halfway through eating your tartare, it will be just inedible. So, because we decided to plate it super fancy, we want to plate it in a nice shape, you know, like a restaurant kind of vibe. So we used our cake tin, of course. So just plate it as you like, you know, and give it a shape that you want. Make it nice if it's to be shared with other people maybe. Otherwise, just put a big spoon in the middle of the plate and Bob's your uncle. Okay, so to enjoy this tartare, I would recommend some crackers or some toasted bread or pane carasau if you're in Italy perhaps, or you know, like some bruschetta bread. Thank you so much for staying with us even today and watching this video until the end. If you like it, give us a like down below. Comment if you would like to see more of this. What do you want to see next? Let us know. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao! Use the back of the spoon. Use the back of the spoon.